Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Ride Kalk with the Pros. My name is Albin Jonsson, I'm a professional stunt bike rider and today I'm gonna show you how to stop it. Today I'm riding my Kalk OR. It's engineered for off-road riding, but the nimble design, the amazing brakes and a good power to weight ratio makes it a super nice stunt bike as well. Step 1. Do a very hard brake-in and feel the braking capacity and the traction. Step number 2. Start to get your rear wheel up in the air and take it step by step, so higher and higher. And it's not about the speed, it's about the technique. Use your body weight. When you're doing these slow little movements, you can stand up on the bike. But usually when I'm doing long stoppies, I want to be in the front to make sure I have all the weight on the front wheel and get good traction. And it also feels like I have the best balance when doing a stoppie when I'm sitting like in the very front of the bike. When you master step 1 and 2, you're gonna start to roll. So get the rear wheel up in the air and let off the front brake to roll slowly down, like this. Then you will get a small feeling of how it feels to do a stoppie, like you roll a few meters and then you get the rear wheel down. Make sure to aim with your eyes on something far away and try to get the stoppies longer and longer. The key to a long stoppie is not about the speed, it's about finding the balance point as fast as possible to make the stoppie as long as possible. When you reach the balance point for the very first time, you will feel what the stoppies are all about. Then it's time to increase speed and do them longer and longer. Thanks for watching.